Thank you, Uma. And we were just talking a little while earlier about this alleged assault on a BJP worker and her being stripped naked. While there are allegations and counter-allegations and claims and counter-claims coming in from the police and the BJP and the Congress in this particular case, in the latest development, the Women's Commission has now taken suo motu cognizance of this incident and the reports of this woman being stripped while being detained by the police in connection to a case that was registered against her, and eventually, of course, she had to be arrested. Now, the Women's Commission has written to the Police Commissioner of Hubli asking for a detailed report into the incident. Now, she, of course, says that these reports are disturbing and a detailed report should be submitted at the earliest based on the investigations conducted by the Police Commissioner of Hubli. Now, the Police Commissioner, of course, at this point in time has maintained that while, this entire incident is blown out of proportions, and more importantly, she herself had taken off her clothes while the police were trying to detain her. She resisted arrest and resisted the police from performing their duty. He has also said that if there is any sort of fault from the police, it will be investigated, is something that he has mentioned while speaking to the media a little while earlier. What will be the response that will come in to the Women's Commission now taking cognizance is something that remains to be seen.